Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Aashritha. This video is about a week in my life, a week in a middle class girl's life anmata. So I'll show you what all I did at my home. So I didn't have college, as I already told you. My semester exams were done, so I had a few days of break. So let's start with the Sunday ante every intlo ekdam first class breakfast, lunch and dinner untayi kabatti this Sunday I made puri and egg curry for the breakfast. నేనే చేశాను, like my mom helped me, but everything in this vlog mostly is done by me. So let's have the breakfast first, and then every Sunday I'll do watering to the plants. మా ఇంట్లో ఒక మినీ గార్డెన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. నాట్ ఎ గార్డెన్ బేసికలీ, బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఎట్ మై హోమ్. 30% అయితే మనీ ప్లాంట్సే ఉంటాయి, బికాస్ they are the easiest climbers that you ever find. So there are lots of money plants. చిన్న మ్యాంగో ప్లాంట్ ఉంది, అది కూడా నేనే పెట్టాను అనమాట. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దాట్. అది పెరుగుతుంది, మోస్ట్లీ పెట్టిన చాలా సీడ్స్ రావు కదా, బట్ దే వర్ గ్రోయింగ్, సో ఐ వాస్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దాట్. అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. మా ఇంట్లో కర్రీ లీఫ్ ప్లాంట్ ఉంది, అండ్ దిస్ సన్నజాజి అంట, ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ బేసిక్లీ. అండ్ తమలపాకు చెట్టు కూడా ఉందన్నమాట మా ఇంట్లో. Sunday night we had a biryani bash at my home. We had biryani, chicken curry at night, and we enjoyed the dinner together andaram kalsi. So I think you might have already seen my aunt's birthday on Vinayak Chavati. We didn't have non-veg that day, so that weekend we had a biryani bash at my home with ice cream. We ended our Sunday night with a beautiful India and Pakistan match. We lost the match, but look at this catch. That's India. Hey guys, it's Monday, so I have started my typical Monday with some learning. I have did some courses on Udemy. Then I watched Big Boss. ఇవి కదా మనకు కావాల్సింది, బిగ్ బాస్ ట్రోల్స్. ఆ క్యూటీ కిడ్స్ అంత క్యూట్గా చెప్పాక కూడా మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకుండా ఉండరు అని నేను అనుకోను. ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. అండ్ ఐ ఎండెడ్ మై మండే బై మేకింగ్ సమ్ చపాతి. ఐ వాజ్ హెల్పింగ్ మై మామ్ basically. Here comes my Tuesday, guys. I have started my day with some green tea. I enjoy having green tea with the plants, with the greenery. After having a beautiful green tea, I went to buy some groceries with my dad. 90% of the Indian families go to D-Mart for their groceries, so even I went for D-Mart. And who don't get attracted to this place, guys? I need to know. Every time I'll ask my dad to buy me something and he'll just scold me in front of everyone. And then we got some groceries from D-Mart, we got some essentials, we got some snacks. The traffic sucks. ఏంటది?
ఆమ్లెట్.
ఒక పక్కే కారం వేసావు,
మరో పక్క కొద్దిగా బ్లాక్ పెప్పర్ వేసుకుంటే ఆ టేస్ట్ గుమగుమ.
దొరకట్లేదా?
మమ్మీ బ్లాక్ పెప్పర్ ఏ మమ్మీ?
కొంచెమే ఇయ్యి.
చెప్పు నువ్వా నేనా?
ఎందుకన్నయ్యా నాతో ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేస్తావు? ఆపేయి.
నీ బాడీ సైజ్ మాత్రం ఉండాలి కదా.
ఎందుకు పుడతారో కూడా తెలియదండి మనుషులు కొంతమంది. బేసిక్ సెన్స్ ఉండదు మనుషుల దగ్గర.
మా ఒక సైడ్ కారం ఆమ్లెట్, ఇంకో సైడ్ బ్లాక్ పెప్పర్ ఆమ్లెట్ అంట.
సూపర్గా
సాహసం అనే చెప్పాలి, నేను తినాలి ఇప్పుడు ఇది. Whenever there is a rain, I just sit at this place and I enjoy the beautiful climate. I enjoy the beautiful rain. I'll sit in the balcony, grab my AirPods and enjoy some beautiful music in this weather. That night, myself and my father, we went for some shopping, and this is the ice cream store. I have already made a YouTube video on that. If you didn't watch it yet, please watch that. I will leave the link in the description below. You must watch that video, guys. They have a large variety of ice creams in different brands. Then we went to buy some prawns. Prawns is my all-time favorite dish. I can eat prawns every day, literally every day, for every meal. I love prawns that much. So I asked my dad to buy them, so he took me and we bought some prawns. After getting some prawns, we gave them at my home and we came for some shopping to my dad. He wants to buy some footwear. I'm so proud of myself that I don't get attracted to anything when I come for shopping. If it is my shopping, I'll buy whatever I want to, but when I come to buy something else, I won't get attracted to other things. I'm so proud of myself in that. By the time we went home, there was a big surprise for us. My cousin sister has come to my home. That night, we all the cousins slept at a place. We had a lot of fun.
నువ్వు కుక్క, నేను ఎలుక. కుక్క కదా, కుక్క ఏంటది? వావ్, దాని మూత అంటుందా? ఎట్టేసాలు వేస్తావు.
It's Wednesday, guys. On Wednesday we had a Ganesh Puja at our colony community hall. I have already posted a separate vlog on the whole day. I will leave the link in the description box. Please go and check it out. I will also leave on the top of the video. Hello Thursday. On Thursday I went to my college for getting some certificate. I couldn't shoot anything in my college on that day because I was in a hurry mode. By looking at all these stalls, you might have already guessed it. Yes, this is Ameerpet metro station. As it was a half day, I just had to get some certificates. I went to my college on metro. This is the Telangana State Assembly. Isn't it so beautiful? After a busy day, my brother and myself, we went to KFC to have some food. And then I have done some editing in the evening, and that is how my Thursday was ended. And let's move to the Friday. We had some cousin time together and we watched the ultimate beautiful emotional movie Sita Ramam in the evening. It's one of the beautiful movies that I have ever watched. If you didn't watch it, go watch it right now. After watching the movie, I went for Ganesh Nimarjan in our colony. The weekend has come. Welcome to my Saturday. In my home, we don't cook non-veg on Saturdays, so it was a basic vegetarian day. I cooked lady's finger and my mother has cooked some dal. We had some lunch together. In the evening, I have done some editing work. Whenever I feel bored, I just do some editing. I always try to be little productive in some or the other way so that I can keep myself busy. At night, we visited to Sarunagar Mini Tangband Lake for Ganesh Nimarjan. I also uploaded a video about this on my YouTube channel. I will leave the link on the top right corner and also in the description box. You can go check it out. And then we have come to a restaurant which is called A1 Chicken Pakoda Point. I made a YouTube video even on A1 Chicken Pakoda Point. You can check it out. We dropped my cousin at her home and we came back. This is how my week went from Sunday to Saturday, and the shout outs for today's video goes to Miriyabilli Naveen and Katakam Ravi. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you want your name, all you have to do is subscribe and comment down below DONE done. Thank you for watching. Bye.